Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have Bear with me. Say hello, Bear.
Let me eat.
Okay, Bear, take it easy. Today we're gonna be playing Blacksmith. I played this yesterday, and yeah, I got the bank. I managed to get the bank. Oh, I forgot I put it. And yeah, so we're gonna go play.
I got it. Okay.
Bushy. Oh, I mean Bear. Hi, Bear. Oh, no. Say hi, Bear.
Pirates order.
No, Bear. That's being bad boy. No, Bear. Stop it, Bear. Stop. Stop it. Oh my God. But it's so hard.
Wildfire. Work was stopped. Back to work.
Getting my shit $3. Okay, boom.
Pirates order.
Alex.
And if you can guys leave me a suggestion down below what else to play, that'd be great. And if you can please like this video and subscribe, that would be great. And if we could hit only, let's make it 11 likes, that would be great. And yeah. No, you ain't giving it more. I got so much fun for that. Game save. Let's see what can we do. I wonder if we can level up our thing like TV.
Pirates order.
I want to level up. Let's see which one is the closest. Let's put this level up. Okay, before all that. Okay, we're so close.
Pirates order.
I don't need no parties. Spam that. Just spam. I believe that we can do this. Okay, we're supposed to so close to getting up $3,000. I don't know what this is. Boom.
Iron supporter.
Good.
I was laying down now.
No, don't be that boy. Are you okay? Are you funny? No, it's okay. Why are you crying? Bill, wait. You might need the baby Bill. But you're so chubby.
Man, I'm not chubby. You chubby fat.
I'm not fun. You are.
I'm gonna watch you.
No, you're not. What do you mean you do?
Iron supporter.
What?
What do you mean you don't want to?
You.
Baby, stop. Give me this. Okay. Oh my god. Come on. Okay, we did something on this in this video. We on this upgrade. Oh, hell no. Nobody ain't stealing my money. Wow, only 4 balls. 4 ball damage.
Iron supporter.
Why are you saying that? Fuck the boost. Let's see if we could get a new like weapon. I wanna get a new weapon. Okay, let's just get this.
Iron supporter.
Let's see if we can get it up to 30 and that'll be good in our spider stuff.
Wildfire. Work was stopped. Back to work.
Why you 3 years old?
What?
You 3 years old.
I'm not 3 years old.
Yeah, you are. You 3 years old.
Iron supporter. Great choice.
So, okay, I think I might end it here, guys. If you guys can just like and subscribe, that'll be great. And take it and keep on gaming, guys. Have a good one. Keep on gaming.